Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Let's Code. Code करे बिना डरे. So guys, I am Sanskruti Panda and I am here with a new video, and in this video I am going to discuss about one course. And guys, this course is really very important for those people who are somehow related to teaching field, like those who are interested in joining any of the teaching field, and especially who are the English teachers and who the people who are interested in teaching English. So guys, the name of the course is TEFL, and it stands for Teaching English as a Foreign Language. So guys, this course is also very important for the people, those who are interested in joining the teaching career in their future. And guys, in this it is an overall course, and it is a free course. You can join this course for free. Here you can see that the link is given over here. Get started with the free online TEFL course. And in this course, after registering for this course, you will get various videos and various quiz assignment of this course. So guys, here you can see that this is the total 120 hours of course. It is a very long scheduled course, as in this course you will get to know everything about how to teach the English as a foreign language. And guys, let me tell you one important thing about this course. In this course you will get to know how to teach English to those people in whose countries English is considered as the second language. So you will be getting to know about different methods and different techniques to teach the students in those who are having English as their second language. So the hectic part of this course is it will provide you a number of quiz assignment, and you have to submit all the assignment in order to get the certification. So guys, I will tell you all the things, like how to register for this course and how to solve the quiz assignment. And for that, let me tell you about my YouTube channel. So guys, in my channel we are uploading various videos on different courses, internships, job opportunities and different quizzes. So guys, if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated with all the further notification. And guys, please, here you can see that in this I will provide the link of this portal in my description of this video, so you can check this out. And let's start with this, how to register for this. You just have to click on this link, get started with the free online TEFL course. And after that, you can see that here it is asking you some of your details. So you have to direct to go here. You can see here the register link is given over here, and after clicking here you will be redirected to the next page, where if you are willing to continue with your company, like you want to join the course with your company, then you can click on company. But if you want to register the course first personally by yourself, then you have to click on personal, and then here you have to provide your email address. You have to confirm that one, your phone number, your Skype ID, then your some of your details like the street address, city, postal code and etc. And after giving all these details, you will be registered in this portal and your account will be created. After that, you have to log into your account. So guys, after logging in, here you can see that the course outline is given over here. You have to click on here, so that Here you can see that the course outline is given over here, and there are total 15 topics in this course, and the total content is of 120 hours. And here in each topic you will be getting the quiz assignment, and after completing the topic you can go to the next topic. Likewise, after completing the 15 topics, you have to give the pre-exam, you have to go through the pre-exam summary, and after completing that you have to give the final exam. And yeah, after completing this much of formalities, you will get the certificate, and I like to show the certificate to you. Here you can see that the certificate is displayed over my screen, and it is a very well formatted certificate. And one thing you need to remember is, if you want to be English teacher for the students in whose country the English is treated as the second language, then TEFL certificate is compulsory. So this course will provide you enough knowledge to train the students, and also to train yourself to be a good teacher, and also it will validate yourself to be a good English teacher. So yeah guys, that's all. I have shown you all the procedure, all the steps to get the certificate ready. So if you like this video, then please do like this one, share the video with your friends so that they will also get to know about this TEFL certification, and do subscribe to my channel. Stay home, stay safe, bye bye.